Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then act quickly. Sign into the same Google or Apple ID, check cloud backup timestamps and contents because those are the fastest recovery path. Once done, connect the phone to a PC or enable Wi-Fi restore. Make sure you have passwords, 2FA codes, and backup files accessible. If no cloud backup exists, do not set up the phone further. Avoid overwriting data. Instead, prepare disk image tools or recovery apps so you can create a forensic copy. You now create a safe copy and extract files step by step. Boot into recovery or enable USB debugging. Then use ADB or vendor utilities to produce a bit-for-bit image. Read-only mode preserves data integrity. Once the image is complete, run specialized extraction tools to recover contacts, photos, SMS, WhatsApp, and app databases. Make sure to export visible files first, then search carved data for deleted content. Because writes destroy traces, proceed in this order and document each action for clarity. You finish by selectively restoring and confirming what matters. If a cloud backup exists, restore core accounts and apps first, then manually copy recovered media and databases back to the device or into apps. Once done, verify contacts, messages, photos, and app sign-ins. Reindex media apps if thumbnails are missing. If things go wrong, try mounting the image on another machine, run a different extractor, or use a professional service. Keep the original image unchanged, because repeated writes reduce recovery chances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.